This woman finally joined the recycling trend and arranged different trash cans in her garage. But she wanted the setup to look good and make the most of the space. So, armed with her drill and a few wooden slats, she built a structure to hold the trash cans. To add a touch of whimsy, she added a pipe cut in half and filled it with water. In the top part, which was like a drawer, she placed a plastic wrap. Then she poured fertilized soil on top. There, the woman planted her favorite plants, the ones that don't need much care and look beautiful. In this way, she not only got a container for the trash cans, but also optimized the space by creating a sustainable garden. Don't you think it's a great idea to do at home?